Hello YouTube and welcome to DIY Auto Body. Today we're going to show you how to remove a fender on this 2012 F250. Not real difficult. Sometimes it's a little hard finding the bolts, and that's why I'm putting up this video. For all of you that need to do this, I'm going to give you a little insight on how to go about it. Make it as quick as possible for you, okay? First thing you want to do is you need to remove this headlight, but in order to get to the headlight you need to loosen up this grill, and I'm going to show you what you're going to do here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts here. Remove those 6 bolts. Those are 10 millimeter bolts. You just remove those and this will pull forward, okay? After you do that, you're going to be able to access the headlight. The headlight's not in here right now because I've already removed it and I've already removed the fender. I'm actually putting it back on. But right here, there's a 10 millimeter bolt. Right here, there's a 10 millimeter bolt. You remove those two 10 millimeter bolts, and there's a bolt also right here. So you got 3 on the headlight. Remove those 3. You can remove that headlight. Pull these plugs, and all they are is just typical plugs. This one just has no retainer. I think it just slides out. No, it does have a retainer, okay? So there's a little tab right there. You push that down, pull it loose. This one I just turned and it comes out. Same with this one, okay? Very simple. Once you've removed that, you can easily access the things you need to do here to get this out, okay? Now, I did not remove the bumper to remove this bolt, okay? Some may say you want to do that, but I didn't want to go through the hassle of removing that bumper just for this one bolt. So I got a end wrench in here, 10 millimeter end wrench coming from the side. There is a plastic cover that goes over this. You just pop it loose. It's got, right here you can see the push-in clip. Pop those push-in clips loose and you can get access to this. And you may even be able to get access to it without removing that. I'm not positive about that. But so what you do is you take this as far out as you can with the end wrench. I put a little pry bar in this bumper, and I just this is a work truck and it's not going to really hurt. I just had to pry it out a little bit so I could, because it'll hit that bolt will hit that bumper when you get so far out. But if you put a little pressure on that bumper, you can flex it a little bit and remove that bolt, okay? So you remove that. Then all along this fender there are clips. This is for the fender liner. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Those are going to be 7/32 socket, and that's a real tiny socket. It's got a real tiny head. Let me show you the bolt. This is it. It's typical on Fords. I believe, let me check this socket. 7/32 socket, yep. So you remove those. That'll take care of that issue. Down underneath here, the bottom of this fender, you have 2 bolts. If you look right in there, you can see where this bolt's right up there. 10 millimeter. Remove 2 of those. Inside this fender, this door, right in there, there's a 10 millimeter bolt. Comes in from this direction. So after you get the fender liner loose, you can reach your hand in there. It's going to be covered with a bunch of foam. This is the bolt here. Actually, I'm not correct. That's an 8 millimeter, okay? And you can get to it, pull that out. Then, one more bolt inside here. Right there. And not positive, it's either going to be another 10 or 8mm bolt. So what you're going to need: ratchet, 10mm, 8mm socket, 7/32 socket. I needed an extension to go through here, because when you do pull this, you're going to come in through here, okay? So I got an extension there, and I believe that's all you need to remove this, okay? Not too bad. You got a dent in your fender, you can switch out the fender fairly easy. You can do it yourself, save yourself some money, okay? Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, share this video. If you haven't subscribed, I'm going to have more videos coming out on a consistent basis every week. I'm trying to do at least 1 or 2 videos a week. We're going to get into a lot of different things in this channel, and I appreciate every one of you, and we'll see you later.